Hi guys, Humble Wolfpax here. So here what we are doing is looking through a couple of markets. We don't use indicators here because to be frank, it's they're useless and they have no bearing of what price is likely to do next and the areas where price might be drawn to. So just keep that in mind when you listen to the commentaries. You're very welcome to write down some specific, levels I'm looking at, and yeah. So let's dive right in. So we start with the dollar index daily chart. Um, Basically, I see it, going higher. I see this lower high here, a nice potential target. Maybe we get it. We take it out this week. Um, and predominantly, I'm looking at it because the structure is bullish, momentum is bullish. We have a nice swing low here. So basically, upside row is around 94.8 or so. Why the specific level? You're welcome to look at your own chart. 25th of September. This is the high of 25th of September. So there will be stops probably residing there. Maybe some classic, support resistance. People trying to short it at that level. I see it. I see it going higher and reach it up there this week. This is now Thursday, so if it doesn't reach it this week, then we'll probably target it, next week. Okay, so dollar is bullish. Now let's look at euro. Euro had just clean up the chart here. Euro had a nice move lower yesterday. I was looking for this taking out these lows here. I'm still short because I'm looking at lower targets. 1.507 is something I like. So if it gets there this week, then that will be it. We don't look at anything else. Now I forgot to mention that what would invalidate a bullish bias on the dollar. So if you look on the 6-hour chart, you see this nice pocket here with a nice big candle, and we as long as we stay above this area and do not have a candle that closes strongly below 94.15, this is going up. So that euro, if you look at the 6-hour chart, very similar story. We have a nice 6-hour pocket here, and I also like this area providing some resistance, so it doesn't have to reach all the way up to the bodies. It can just basically roll over from here. So I'm still short on this, and I have a short bias. Cable is not as weak as euro, um, but regardless, again, let me highlight this area. As long as we are staying below 1.36 on closing basis. So what I mean by that is if we just punch higher and then immediately reject, I do maintain a bearish stance on this, and I'm looking for this low and potentially this low to be run out this week. Euro yen, I like going lower. Potentially, I see nice targets here down at the bottom. So if you look on the 6-hour chart, get a nice pocket here. And again, as long as we stay um, below 129.16, again on a closing basis, I maintain a bearish bias. New Zealand yen, similar story. Looking lower, beautiful targets here. So watch that. we're not going through every single markets, just really highlighting the ones which I'm interested in right now. And I look at some cross pairs to determine which pair is weaker, stronger. So we are not going into a great detail into that. But for example, if you look at Aussie New Zealand, I have a nice green marker, which means that I am bullish on this. It doesn't mean that I have a trade on, but it just means that Aussie is stronger than New Zealand. And if you look at this candle here from yesterday, raided this highs quite nicely, and I cannot be you cannot be bearish on this. Um, we mentioned that pound is likely weaker. The euro is a bit weaker than pound. Um, it has been. However, the problem is now that we already ran out this low here. So we nicely attacked sell side for sure. There were some people trying to buy it here, so they got taken if they had a tight stop. Um, I do see order flow still being bearish. However, look at the displacement. I think it's pretty much done for the week, and it's a gamble to play it either long or short. All right, so we have no markup on this. Euro Aussie. I was looking for these lows to be run out 2 days ago, and we got that actually exactly 2 days ago. And after we hit a target like this on the daily chart, we um, we have to wait a bit for more information, because I do have a bearish bias, just because Aussie is strong and Euro is weaker. However, we are at such an area where it sets the stage for a potential run higher. There is no indication here that we are running higher yet, but the reason why I say that is because to me it just looks like they ran these stops. Now people some people are potentially short when it's already too late. We already had the run, and I'm looking at this pocket here on the daily chart, and if we do bounce from here and we have a nice swing low, with beefy candle, then yeah, that would validate the bearish stance on this. But right now it's a no man's land. Gold. Gold. How I interpret this gold chart is that look at this huge week here, 9th of August. I think this portion was stop run here, because we came aggressively, taking out everything. I tried to play it on the long side here, and potentially even here, if we look to the left, that low right there, I believe it was taken out. So because of this, we quite nicely run up, and I'm interested in this level here. So 1728 has been rejected. So we developed a nice swing low here. So now I cannot have no longer a bearish stance on this. Now another thing here is that if we say this pocket here, we closed above it 3 days ago here, 4th of October, quite nicely and strong. And since then, all these wicks on the daily chart is just a sign that we've been accumulating. Accumulating where? To get long. So target 1, target 2, target 3. This is a really nice area here. So don't be surprised if you see gold trading in the next couple of weeks at 1840. Okay. Same goes for silver. We had the stop run. See, we taken all these lows. People were probably got caught on the wrong side. They had their stop too tight, bomb taken out. So now it's time to at the same time, some people were trying to go long short on this as well, because again we taken out these lows. Time to get long. Wrong idea. Now, since we taken that, look, we have a swing high here. This high is higher than this one. Brilliant. That's a very good sign for going higher. And look what happens since then. If you look on the 6-hour chart again, look, nice pocket here, we fail to close below. So as long as we fail to close below it, this is bullish. And look, what are your targets? Well, 23.2, 24, and ultimately, look, I would say, all this is potential. Of course, it's not going to get there in 2 days, and there's going to be, pullbacks on the way. There is some areas which we need trade through with conviction to keep, continue going. But this is a really nice area to, accumulate longs. Dollar CAD. Um, I'm slightly bullish on this. However, I need to see. I need more information to get on the long side. So what I see is that we had these lows nicely ran out here a few days ago, and as long as we do not close strongly, convincingly below 1.2550 on a daily close basis, I have to maintain a bullish bias. Now, what I'm waiting for is actually a candle that really has some, a body. So not just last 2 days. Look at these candles. It's up and down days, and we pretty much close and open at the same area. So this is not convincing enough price action for me to get to the low side. Cadian is just drove fast here, so it looks bullish to me, but at the same time, um, I want to be selling CAD, so I want to go long dollar CAD and short Euro yen and short New Zealand yen, which means that I have a slight um, bias for stronger yen. The stronger yen is no good for CAD to go higher. So if you see conflict like this, then basically just walk away. There is nothing to do here. So that will be it. If you found it useful, then leave a section below. If you have more questions or some questions, just pop it in the comment section. And yeah, see you for the next one. Thank you.